my channel Smart Idea TV, where we look at how to make money online and offline. Today I want to quickly teach you how you can be making between 100k to 500k monthly online. Yes, it used to be very difficult to make money online. When I got started online, we find it so difficult to make just $1 online. At least you spend nothing less than 3 years before you can even start making few change here and there. But now I've come to notice that there are so many young newbies who are coming online and who have started making money, and they are making nothing less than 100k to 500k. If this is something you are interested in, then let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. To make money used to be very difficult and it takes a lot of time online, but that is no more, because I've seen couples of young guys who are jumping into the online space and making tons and tons of money. So I kept wondering, what are they doing? What are they doing differently than what we were doing when we started? Though when we started online business some years back, it used to be very difficult. One, the internet technology is not that robust in our country, Nigeria here then. But now, everywhere you can browse from your phone, you can browse anywhere you get to, you see internet connections. I remember in those days, I used to run to different places. Sometimes I will be at a particular location just to get internet connection. I will rush to another place to get internet connection. But now, it is quite different, because with your phones, with your smartphones, you can start browsing the internet. And I asked for their secret. So when we come back, I'm going to be teaching you what I learned from their secret. Talking about secrets, how to make money online. I told you, nowadays I learned the secret of newcomers to the internet space who are making between 100 to 500 monthly. I was like baffled, because it took me years to actually make a dime on the internet. So I delve into the secret, and there are two things I learned from them. There are just two secrets. The first one is that they make this money from two online business models. One is affiliate marketing and the other one is e-commerce. So what are those things they do? In the affiliate marketing business model, they sell affiliate knowledge products that have high converting sales pitch or sales pages. And you know, the affiliate model is so simple. If you don't understand what affiliate model means, then you need to check my channel. There are videos. I've done some videos on affiliate marketing for beginners. I will link that in the description, or you can just check the channel Smart Idea TV, where you get this video. So let's get into it. They sell affiliate knowledge products that have incredible sales pitches that anybody can just start using and start making. And by the way, sales page is the kind of advert you do online to market your product. And you know, in this one we are selling an affiliate product, and the affiliate product I'm talking about, I think, is the digital one. I'm talking about digital products, affiliate knowledge products, which is in the digital format. Example of this is, there is one that is making, that makes a lot of money, and that is still making them a lot of money. How to relocate to Canada. Different ways, three easy ways to relocate to Canada. You know, in our country, Nigeria, a lot of people are trying to relocate to Canada, and most of them are falling into the wrong hands, the so-called agent who swindle them of their money. But this product claims to give you three different ways you can relocate to Canada without paying any agent, without facing any agent problem. And it claims that once you apply everything in that manual, just go to the embassy and you will be granted your visa. That's one example. There are so many other affiliate products like that. There is one that is teaching you how to make money in YouTube, on YouTube. Get your 1,000 subscribers under 30 days and 4,000 watch hours under 30 days. And those are good affiliate knowledge products that are making a lot of money. So most of these guys claim they are making, in fact, I did a background check on them. I realized most of them are making money. And by the way, affiliate products are products that you did not create yourself. Somebody must have done it for you. All you need to do, even they have done the sales page, all you need to do is just find a way to sell. And that is very simple with the advent of social media. You can sell freely, then you can use Facebook ads, paid ads. Just pay small amount of money on Facebook, and and the product will be promoted for you. All you need to do is just put your affiliate link and you make commission. If the product is selling for 50,000, if the commission is 50%, then you'll be earning 25,000 per one. If you sell two, that is just 50,000. You can see how most of them are making this money effortless. They are not giving, the wahala is not much. And if I might tell you, for me myself, the first way I made my money was in affiliate marketing. And this was taught, I think I learned this from, after about 4 years on the internet, I learned this from Otumba Akin-Alabi, the CEO of NairaBet. Then he was an internet marketer. And in fact, the first product he wrote was how to migrate to Canada. So I learned this from him. And ever since, I've been making tons of money. So I'm not too surprised when I learned that most of these young newcomers to internet online business are making money from affiliate marketing. I'm not surprised. So the second one is most of them are making money from e-commerce products. And this is by far even the simplest. It's even simpler than affiliate market, though there are some nitty-gritties involved. One, you can just import products, ship products from China, but these products must be products that you know people really need, people really want. They want them at the same time. They need them. Like in our country or any part of Africa, if you sell any product that can get rid of mosquitoes, then you are going to sell, because we have a lot of mosquitoes in Africa. So if you sell any product that can rid of mosquito, there is one product that is very cheap. They call it mosquito repellent armband. It's just an armband from China, and it's very cheap. With 5,000, 10,000 naira, you can import this and you make a lot of profit. I know people who have sold this with 10,000 and they made about 100,000, because it's so cheap. But you can sell because people really need it, and you can just bring it in cheaply, then put your profit on top. Then you are smiling to the bank. There are so many others. So what you do is you can import from China, import cheaply, get a way of clearing it, very cheap, very easy. There are so many easy ways of clearing it. Get it down to Nigeria, then you sell. you can sell on your own. You can create your own website. You can sell on Facebook. You can sell on Instagrams. You can sell on, some people even sell their own on Pinterest. But you can also sell on third-party e-commerce websites like Jumia, Konga, Gigi, OLS. Talk about soup.ng, Abari shop. There are tons and tons. Even if you cannot sell in all of this, just list your product. You just list your product, and once you have order, just make sure the product you are selling are hot in demand product, evergreen product that people will need. They need it and they want it at the same time. You know, there is difference between want and need, but this time they want and need. Once you get this product, then so most of them are making a killing of it. See, you can see Jumia is growing, and that's why you have other Jumia, Konga. All of them are making tons of money because this is the area people are making. So it is very easy. You can make money. But the good thing about this is that this is not peculiar to my country alone. This, you can do this globally. I know most of the big names we are in internet marketing or online business started from affiliate marketing. And you know, e-commerce is the best in thing now. When you have the like of Jeff Bezos of Amazon, then you have Jack Ma, Alibaba. So they are making a killing. So it can be done globally as well as locally. But if I were you, I will click into this. This is a valuable knowledge I'm giving you. A lot of people will give you this for some money. You can even package what I'm giving you and sell like 5 pages, 10 pages, and people will buy because it's a secret I'm giving to you for free. I know you have got value from this. Before you go, if you are not subscribed, consider subscribe. Just subscribe. It does not cost you anything. Subscribe. You see the red button there. Subscribe. Just click on it. Once you click on it, a bell will come. Click on the bell so that you'll be notified when next I release videos. And if you have already subscribed, share. Just share this video. Give it a thumbs up. Like it. Share it to other people. Let other people be aware of this channel. Next, I'll be talking about the next video I'll be talking about will be on affiliate marketing, how to make money from affiliate marketing, practical step-by-step ways to make money from affiliate marketing. But before then, I will link up, watch this next video. I'm going to link it up here. It's my playlist on the best way to make money on the internet. See you at the top. Thanks.